In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly share files or folders from Google Drive using a computer web browser. We're going to walk through a couple of convenient methods, making collaboration and sharing data with colleagues, friends, or family as simple as just a few clicks. Whether you want to create a shareable link or send files directly through email, you'll find the process is straightforward and easy to manage. Let's start with the first method, sharing via a link. This is particularly useful when you're looking to distribute files to multiple people or prefer to send the file through a different platform like a chat service. First, you'll need to right-click on the file or folder you want to share in Google Drive. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, click on Share. Once the sharing window appears, you'll notice an option to copy link. Go ahead and click on this, as this action will generate a direct link to the file or folder in question. However, before distributing this link, it's crucial to determine the kind of access recipients will have. You have three choices. The Viewer option allows them to only view the content, Commenter permits them to add comments, and Editor grants them full access to edit the file. Choose the one that best fits your situation. With your link permissions set, all that's left is to send this copied link to your intended recipients. Feel free to share it via email, your favorite chat app, or any other messaging service you prefer. And there you have it. You've shared your file using a link from Google Drive. Now, let's move on to the second method, sharing directly via email. This method is excellent when you know the exact email addresses of the people you want to share the file or folder with, or if you want a more straightforward approach that does everything in one step. Start off by right-clicking the file or folder again and selecting Share from the menu, just like before. This time, instead of copying a link, you'll enter the email address of your recipient in the space provided. After entering the email address, you'll also need to choose their permission level, just like in the link sharing method, whether you want them as a viewer, commenter, or editor. Once you've set this up, proceed by clicking Send. The recipient will receive an email notification with a direct link to the file, and they can access it based on the permissions you specified. It's that simple and effective. With these two methods at your disposal, sharing files from Google Drive becomes an effortless task, ensuring smooth and effective collaboration. Whether you're working on group projects, sending personal files, or engaging in professional exchanges, these steps will guide you through with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing!